Good morning, everybody. It's just before 9 o'clock, and I'm sitting around doing my workshop stuff and my research and everything. I had a something to run past everyone. What about taking the Wolf Project and finishing the hull? Doing all that, but then let's custom build an electric motor for it. So it would run solely on battery power, no fuel. Now, I I don't know anything about that, but I was thinking with my tech background, I understand electricity, voltage, I understand all that stuff. I've been in the tech industry now for 20 years. Could we take and build custom controllers for this boat? You'd have a a propulsion component to it, right? Like a 48 volt motor running to some sort of pod engine, or I'm sorry, running to a pod transmission that would, push the boat. But then you got other pieces of it, like say 2 to 4 motors on the underside or on the gunnels below the water that would keep the boat in position wherever you are. It's sort of like a trolling motor that sits in the water all the time. Maybe it would connect with a GPS module that would sort of, you could position your boat and then it would just stay there. And I know Minn Kota has that technology already built into a trolling motor itself. But I think we could do that. I think that wouldn't be that tough. And we would use Raspberry Pis and Arduinos to do it all. And then I've been watching this other channel. It's called Sail Life, and the guy's name is Mads. I think he's somewhere in Norway. No, I don't know where he is. Anyway, if you followed his channel, he's doing some interesting tech stuff. He is using a diesel engine to power his new sailboat, but he's got some components on there that are all sort of microcomputers that are doing different things. I think it's doable, right? So send me your comments on that. This boat, I would want it to go. I don't need it to go super fast. I'd like maybe 10 to 15 knots out of it, out of the Wolf, which via electric I think we could do. It's a light boat, so I think we could do that. And then I would like to have the feature where it could do a GPS anchoring system where it would measure tide. It would have to just measure your position and then just keep you around in that same position. That's my biggest beef right now, is that I'm going up to these fishing spots in the mangroves, and without a trolling motor, something to keep you there, you have to toss an anchor, and then you have to hope that you're in the right tidal positions plus the wind. So you're doing all kinds of sort of geometry in your head, calculations, which by the way is awesome. I love doing that. It's just not ideal. I mean, if you could have technology do this for you, why wouldn't you? We could 3D print the shrouds for the motors, and then we could use open source technology to make this happen. Now, I think that'd be a pretty fun project, don't you? Maybe we start with something smaller. Maybe we get a jet ski. I'll do this with a jet ski. I'm just thinking that would be pretty rad. All right. Leave me a comment. See if you're interested in stuff like that. Let me know. I know some of you are probably just interested in the fiberglass work, and that's great. But let's think bigger. Let's think more about functionality. Okay, I wanted to show you something. I have this book. I think this was my dad's book. And Dad, I don't know if you watch my videos or not, but I think Mom shows them to you every once in a while. So I think this is your book. It's from Popular Science. I don't even know when it was published. 1980. This particular printing, 1980. And look on the front cover. It's all pegboards, right? So this is, I think this is what my dad used to sort of design some of his workshops. But there's some really cool workshop pictures in here from the 60s, 70s, and 80s. And they talk about the different kinds of tools, and it's just it's a cool book. I don't know. There's no UPC code on this. It's too old for that. I don't even know if there's an ISBN. Oh, there is. There's the ISBN if you want to try to look it up. 00609082446. Cool book. So I'm using this as a reference guide to continue my progress on this workshop build. And I like the concept of the electric boat, by the way. So it's just something I'm thinking about. I'd love to have solar involved in it, like green technology. I think that'd be super rad. So, all right. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment on my solar boat idea, electric boat idea. There's another guy named Jamie Mansell, Jay Mansell on YouTube. You can find him. He's like adventure builder guy. He's built all kinds of solar boats and motor boats out of like stuff you shouldn't have. I don't even know how he's a genius. I mean, mad scientist status. So check him out, and yeah, let's do something cool. All right, thanks for watching my videos, guys, and I appreciate all the comments. You guys are you make my day, seriously. Like, I read those comments, and I'm trying to respond to all of them. Thank you so much. It's like I need that interaction. I need someone to just either encourage me or and challenge me and all that. So I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.